Hello, Forex traders. Today we are diving into a very crucial aspect of your trading journey, choosing the right Forex broker. So, with so many options out there, it is very essential to consider a few key factors before making your decision to choose the right Forex broker. Right? So, it requires careful considerations of various factors to ensure a seamless and secure trading experience. So, let's get started on what you need to know to choose the right Forex broker. So the first point you need to consider is the regulation and security. So the first thing to consider is regulation and security. So you need to ensure your broker is regulated by a reputable authority, providing a layer of protection for your funds. And also you need to opt for brokers with reputable financial authorities, such as the SEC, the FCA, or the ASIC. So regulatory compliance ensures the broker adheres or follows the industry standard and provide a layer of protection for your funds as well. So also look for the essential encryption to safeguard your personal information, making sure your trading experience is secure. So the second point is your trading costs and fees. So now let's talk about the nitty-gritty. So your trading costs and fees, these different brokers have different fee structures. So you need to consider spread, your commissions, your swaps, and any other hidden charges. So always remember your low transaction cost can significantly impact your overall profitability. So the third point in this case is your trading platform. So your trading platform is your cockpit in the Forex market. So you need to look for a platform that is user-friendly, so technologically advanced and meets your trading style. A good platform is essential for executing trade efficiently. So always consider platforms such as MetaTrader 5 or 4. These are widely recognized industry platforms. So a demo account is also a great way to test drive any platform before using it. So the fourth point is your asset offering. So your asset offering, this ensures you need to ensure your broker provides a diverse range of currency pairs and other financial instruments. This allows you to diversify your portfolio and explore different trading opportunities. The fifth point in this case you need to consider is your leverage and your margin. So your leverage can amplify both gains and losses. You need to understand the broker's leverage offerings and also the margin requirements. So you need to choose a level that aligns with your risk tolerance and trading strategy. The sixth point in this case will be your deposit and your withdrawal process. So it is important to assess the ease and the speed of depositing and withdrawing funds from a broker. So a reliable broker should offer you multiple payment methods and ensure prompt processing of withdrawals without unnecessary delays. The fifth point in this case, which is also very important, is your customer reviews. So you need to research the broker's reputation by reading reviews and testimonials from other traders. Look for the feedbacks on execution speed, customer service, and reliability of such brokers. So we have a lot of platforms you may use for that. So the seventh point here is customer support. A good customer support is like a safety net. Ensures your broker offers responsive and helpful customer support. So you never know when you might need assistance. So it is reliable. You need a reliable support team which can make all the difference to your trading experience. So it's very important to choose the right Forex broker. It is a very significant decision, and these considerations should guide you in finding the perfect fit for your trading journey. So do your research, weigh your options, and also remember the right broker can be a key ally in your quest for trading success. Happy trading, everyone.